Hello everyone and welcome back to MK's Aviation. Alright everyone, I hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. And today we're going to have a very exciting video and a very exciting unboxing to do. So I won't delay any longer. Today we're going to be taking at a new model for me, and this one is a Panda models. As you can see by the box, it is a 737, and yeah, so this one is the Arizona 1 livery. I got this one from the Diecast airplane store. So yeah, I've talked about this, I believe, in a previous video that I ordered this, and yeah, I've already seen the model, but we'll go ahead and take this one out of the box and we'll take a look at it. Okay, so just taking the model out of the cradle, we can see it is a very nice model. Again, made by Panda Models. The details are very nice. I'll set it right here on this table. And yeah, it is a fantastic model, guys. Really glad to have this one in the collection. It's like, I think I only need 2 more state liveries to complete the entire fleet. I have the Maryland one on order. And yeah, just a very nice aircraft, very well done. Just the same as the California one. And yeah, so we'll go into greater review on this model. So like most Southwest state liveries, the Arizona one has been around for quite some time. It was originally painted onto a 737-300. Gemini Jets actually came out with one. It was on the 300. They did, however, update it and put it on a 737-700, which is what is right in front of you now. It is a fantastic livery, of course, painted after the Arizona state flag, which is a very nice one, if I do say so myself. As you can see, you have the blue there with the yellow stripes and the orange star, which looks really good. I think it would also look pretty cool if it was like a golden chrome star. I think that would look nice, but of course they're going off the state flag. Details look really nice. The nose gear is not bad at all. The Wi-Fi box looks good. Looking at it from the front now, you can see that everything looks good. I do like how this livery, the front is not like the typical Southwest blue. It's like a really dark shade. That looks really good in contrast to the light on the tail there. And yeah, so overall it just looks super nice. I'll show you guys the underside of the aircraft. As you can see there, it's mostly just navy, red, and yellow. Looks very nice. And yeah, guys, that is the Panda models. 737-700 for the Arizona one. It wasn't very publicized, so if you guys didn't know about this one, I wouldn't be super surprised. However, it is a nice model, so if you go to the Diecast model aircraft store or airplane store, whatever it's called, if they still have any, I would recommend getting this one for sure. It's just a great one for the collection. But yeah, guys, that is going to do it for this review. Of course, if I had to rank this model, I'd give it a perfect 10 out of 10. Just some solid models coming out, guys. Really enjoying the variety. I have a lot more on order, so stay tuned. Should be making videos on those. And yeah, really nice model. Great job, Panda. And I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your week. And God bless you.